PlanogramBuilder Tutorial 14, Placing Accessories on Furniture. In this tutorial, you will learn how to incorporate accessories into your planograms. Click Templates, Predefined Examples, then Shelving under Category. Drag the following piece of furniture to the viewing area, gondola, shelves. Click Accessories, Predefined Examples and click on the asterisk under Brand and Product line. As explained in Tutorial 7, in the database, behavior defines where an accessory can hang on furniture. In the examples provided, each category corresponds to a type of accessories, behavior. Click Bay Header, then drag the sample onto the back panel of the cabinet. It attaches to the top of the back panel. Repeat this for each example. Panel can be positioned freely on the front of the back panel. Divider hangs in the desired location across the width of the front edge of a shelf. Shelf strip is placed centered on the front edge of shelves. Shelf badge also fits on the front edge of shelves, but in 3 preset positions. Sticker can be placed freely on shelf strip, as well as on the front edge of shelves. Presenter is positioned on the surface of shelves, centered in depth. On display can be placed either on the surface of shelves or directly on presenter. In this case, if the display is moved, the product presented moves with it. Note that it may be necessary to disable collisions for certain props in your database or on a case-by-case basis in a project. This is especially the case for those that may be in the same position, like our example of an out-of-box product, on display, Peugeot Pepper Mill, placed on the display. You will also notice that the example display uses a custom 3D shape. If you want to use this shape for your planograms, you will find a link to the 3D model to import into PlanogramBuilder below the video. You can view information about selected accessories in Item Info. Double-click an accessory to open this task. Except collisions, values can only be changed in the database. Some of the alignment and spacing controls described in Tutorial 13 are available depending on the type of accessory selected. Finally, if your furniture is often used with the same accessories, we remind you that you can save the set as a template. Please see the links below the video for detailed instructions in the user guide. This tutorial is now complete.